Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today we will take a look at this another higher low that is being formed on the weekly time frame chart, and we will also take a look at this breakout from this big channel, and the price line is again rejected by this $40,000 resistance level as well, and we will also watch this inverse head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hourly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that if we want the most recent trend here, just ignore these major trends, just watch these recent trends, then you can see that we have formed this high, this low here. Now the next low is getting formed higher than previous one, and if there will be no sell-off again, then we can also form another higher than previous high. But for that, we also need to break out this resistance of red line, that is the exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame. Now if we take a look at the oscillator here, then stochastic on the weekly time frame chart, it was extremely oversold. Now it is turning bullish. We have again received a bull cross between the blue line and the orange line. That is a buying signal from the oversold zone. And if we watch the RSI oscillator, even the stochastic and RSI both, if we compare them to the major trend of the price line, here price line formed this low, and other low was higher than previous one, but here stochastic formed the next low lower than previous one, and the RSI also formed next major low lower than previous one. That is a hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. And if we again take a look at the major trend of the price line, like just ignore the small volatility and just observe the major trends, like here we formed this low, another lower is higher than previous one, and here we are going to form another higher low than previous one. Then we are also going to form another higher than previous high as well, like we formed this high here, and the next high was higher than previous high. And if Bitcoin is going to repeat the same action, then it is going to form another higher than previous high. But again, we have very strong resistance here, EMA 21 right now at $44,000, $44,500. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then we have broken out a very big down channel, but we are stuck under the resistance of $40,000 and this EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart as well. And you can see we again rejected yesterday by this resistance. We dropped back at $37,000. In the short term, we have a nice support at $36,300, but we have a very strong support here at $33,000 approximately. That will be more stronger than this support. So far, the price line did not break down this $36,300 and moving between $40,000 to $36,300 support and resistance levels. So for any big move, we need to break out this $40,000 resistance. Then we can expect that the price line may achieve the target of this down channel, that is the top of this channel, approximately at $68,000. Now, if we take a look at this inverse head and shoulder pattern that I was showing you in my yesterday's video, then you can see it is still valid. We have still an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. And unless the price line will not drop more than this head and shoulder pattern will be not invalidated. It is still valid. And the target of head and shoulder pattern is still there. We have the resistance of the head and shoulder pattern, this neckline, approximately at $40,000, where we have the resistance of exponential moving average 21 as well. And the target for this head and shoulder pattern, if we will break out this neckline, will be here approximately at $46,000. If I place it here, that will be very close to $46,000, $45,700 approximately. And again, here we have in the short term this support of $36,300, exactly where we have this left shoulder. From here we bounced, and this support will be very significant in the short term on this 4-hourly time frame. We need to observe this support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.